Unlocking inspiration. Exploring types of visual stimuli for creative writing. Hello, learners! Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of creative writing, and more specifically, how visual stimuli can be a key to unlocking our imaginations. Let's explore the different types of visual stimuli that can fuel our creative juices and help us pen down mesmerizing tales. A visual stimulus is anything we can see that sparks an idea or evokes a feeling. It's like a tiny seed that, when planted in the soil of our imagination, can grow into a sprawling tree of stories. From simple pictures to intricate paintings, these stimuli can take numerous forms, and they all have the power to inspire us in unique ways. 1. Photographs. A captured moment in time. Photos can tell a story of their own. Whether it's a vintage family photo or a modern cityscape, photographs invite us to imagine the stories behind them. 2. Artworks. Paintings, sculptures, and other forms of art aren't just for admiration. They're packed with emotions, interpretations, and narratives waiting to be explored. 3. Nature. The world around us. Sunsets, mountains, the intricacies of a leaf. Nature is full of visual stimuli that can lead to poetic thoughts and grand tales. 4. Everyday objects. Sometimes, even a forgotten teacup or a worn-out book can become the focal point of a story. It's all about perspective. 5. Advertisements. These are designed to catch our attention, and sometimes they do more than that. They can inspire stories of the world they hint at. 1. Observe and note. Keep a small notebook. When a visual catches your attention, jot down the feelings or story ideas it brings up. 2. Mind mapping. Start with the stimulus in the center and draw branches that represent different ideas or paths the story could take. 3. Free writing. Set a timer, maybe 10 minutes, and write without stopping, letting the visual guide your words. 4. Discuss with others. Sometimes discussing what you see in a visual stimulus with someone else can lead to unexpected and exciting story avenues. 5. Create a storyboard. If you're feeling artsy, create a storyboard or a series of images that help outline your story based on the initial visual stimulus. And there we have it. Visual stimuli are everywhere, and they are powerful tools in the hands of a creative writer. Whether you're a budding novelist or just someone looking for a new writing exercise, using visual stimuli can be both fun and enlightening. So, the next time you see something that captures your interest, think, what story does this tell? Happy writing!